How to change your location on LinkedIn. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your location on LinkedIn app. So first thing we do is we go to LinkedIn, and this is the home page. As you can see, now you click in the top corner on your profile picture, and now you click on view profile, and now we are in the profile. Click in the pencil here, and now we go down, and here is the location. Now you can add any location you want, like Mexico or Portugal, but I will just leave it as it was. And that's it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one.